All right, boys, been a couple of days since we've been at the shop, but we're back and we're getting back to work. Both Mitch and I have been sick the last few days, so we're just getting back in the groove of things. But today, we got to pull out a diff. But first, I just stopped at Harbor Freight. Shout out to my little sister, Destiny. She got me a Harbor Freight gift card for Christmas, so I went on a little spree. So I got this heavy duty pry bar set. I got magnetic wrench rack for my wrenches. Got a file. Got some 90-degree bent nose long reach pliers. Got some diagonal cutters. Those are always good. Some super glue. Some earmuffs. Some more safety protection. Safety glasses. Some zip ties. And for my old ass, I got myself a knee pad. Boom. Tips and tricks when removing an NB diff. So you got 2 bolts. These 2 are 17 heads. So once you get those 2 out, you got to drop this. So using a pry bar, you get in there. It doesn't have to come out all the way. Just get it a little bit out. So on top, you're gonna have these little inserts. This is the bottom one that you want to pry out, but these are the 2 top ones. So they go into there. You basically want to thread the bolt back in. You could hammer them out, and then the PPF will slide off the diff, and you can worry about everything else. So I got the mid pipe off, out of the way. You're gonna want to take out your drive shaft as well. It's held in by some 14 millimeters. 4 14 millimeters right there. Off the flange right there. Put your car in gear and put the e-brake up. So you can loosen 2 at a time, spin the drive shaft, loosen the other 2. You can take all those out, and then it'll slip out of the transmission up there. You can pull it out, giving yourself some room. At this point in time, support the diff. I'm gonna be removing this top bolt right here. So I'll get the hardware for the ears up here. 1, 2. So we'll get those right now. 2 14s and a 17. And then we should be good to go. All right, boys, so like I said, top bolt off, shock bolt off. You get this lower one off if you want to get the knuckle to have some more space to pull it out. Keep in mind the axle will be a little bit sticky, so use some pry bars on both sides of the axle. So one on this side, one on this side. Pry evenly, and they'll pop out. Shout out to my boy Mitch. I was stuck here for a little bit, but shout out to him. So now we're gonna take off that hardware right there. All right, boys. All right. There it is. There we go, boys. Just a little bit of fluid right there. All right, boys, successful night. Diff is out of the Miata, and it's right here, ready to take to the next owner, delivering it to Long Beach. So let's put everything away and go home.